Are you looking for to use Claude Voice on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily use voice mode on iPhone. First thing first, move into your application Claude AI. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see two different mic and the voice icon. Simply click on this voice icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on allow for the microphone. Now you can ask and speak anything to the Claude AI. It says start speaking. Well, they will also answer you with the voice. If you want to change the voice of Claude AI, then all you gotta do is click on the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. You can see tons of different voice. Swipe left and you'll get to see more. From here, select any of the voice that you want. Once you've selected, you can also change the language of the voice. Change according to your need, and also change the speed. Let me set it to slow. Now go back and you can speak anything you want to, and then you'll be good to go. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.